Hey, what's up everyone? Mendel here. I hope you are all doing awesome and wonderful. So in this video we're gonna record some bass for the Cubase Elements rack track that we've been working on. So as always, let's dig right in. Here we go. Alright, so here we are in Cubase Elements and I have a bass track ready. And behind me is my buddy Willem-Jan Kedderman, the bass player for the song. Say hi to the camera, Willem-Jan.
Hi.
So we're gonna track some bass. Before we're gonna do that, we're first gonna create a bass tone that he's comfortable recording with, and then we're gonna track bass for this song. Because in the previous videos, we first did a guitar with VST Amp Rack, then we did like a lead tone with VST Amp Rack, then we used Groove Agent SE to program the drums, and now we're at the bass recording stage. So I'm gonna open up VST Amp Rack here. And we did some testing before. This actually sounds pretty, in my opinion, pretty cool for bass. So could you just hit the bass for me? That sounds actually pretty good to me.
Sounds pretty beefy.
Yeah, we're gonna tweak it from here. So Willem-Jan is plugged straight into the high Z input of my interface, going into VST Amp Rack, and I'm recording the pure DI signal because in the mixing stage, I'll probably use just the DI for the low end and VST Amp Rack for the grid. But it could be that I'm just gonna use VST Amp Rack just for the bass stuff. But we'll see. So first, we're gonna do some tweaking so that he's comfortable with the tone. Play some stuff if you're really happy with this.
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, so let's start some tracking. So I'm gonna move everything a bit to the right so we give you some time to track it since everything's still in the same tempo. Is this enough time for you? Like from here? That's fine?
That's fine.
Okay, let's try to do the first take. Let's start to do the intro first, okay?
Yes.
Here we go. I think we have a one taker and we just need to do that fiddly thing, but I think that's it.
Say 80%, 8 out of 10.
Should we just do that that licky thing, just that thing? Here we go. Okay, I think we got it. Let's just double check over here. Okay, it sounds cool. Let's check the whole thing as a final check. That sounds actually pretty good. I like it. I dig it.
Yeah. I agree.
Cool. All right, so that's basically it. Pretty impressed that for bass we had like a one taker. So good job, Willem-Jan. Really impressed.
My pleasure.
Really cool. And then in the next video, we're going to mix all this together. And to recap, for the drums, we use Groove Agent SE. For the guitars, for rhythm guitars, we use VST Amp Rack. For the lead guitars, we also use VST Amp Rack. And for the bass guitar tone, we also use VST Amp Rack. But I think in the mixing video, I'll be duplicating it and then use the bass DI just for the low end. And then like the top grid, like the rock tone, the bass rock tone, use VST Amp Rack. But we'll see. So make sure you check that out. If you have any questions about this, please let me know down in the comments. And again, thank you, Willem-Jan, for being here.
Once again, my pleasure.
Really cool, really cool. One take. Yeah, nearly one take. Really impressed. Really cool. And see you next time. All right? Cheers.